What's going on, guys? Another video. Today is August 6th, about 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Taking a look at the charts, Bitcoin surprisingly doing very well today. Well, not surprisingly. We knew, it's up. It's in a bull trend here. So, not surprising, but it is looking really, really good today. I'm here on the hourly charts. Stay tuned for a little Ethpad update at the end, but I'm just going to cover Bitcoin really quickly. So I have the 20 EMA pulled up, and as you can see, we are getting a little overextended. We had a massive pump today, but we are getting a little overextended from the 20 EMA. If I switch over to the daily, we're getting overextended there as well. So I think we might have a back test of the 20 EMA before we go any higher, or not even a back test. We might just consolidate. However, here, let me switch back to the hourly. Right, I have my yellow imaginary lines drawn here at about 42, 450, right? We got some good touch points here, so if anything, I think we're going to consolidate here for, a couple days and let the 20 EMA catch up to us, and then once we catch it back up to the 20 EMA, we're just going to keep shooting off the 20 EMA. If we do drop, though, I do think we are going to drop back down to about right under 42,000 or right at 42,000 roughly. So anyway, from 42 to 42.5 is where I think we're going to consolidate for a minute. As long as we keep that, above 42, we're looking extremely healthy and, great for continuation in this bull cycle. I am a believer that we are in the middle of the bull cycle. We're not going into a bear market just yet. I think we got a few more months left to pump, and then maybe we'll see where we're at then and determine if we're going to go into the bear market or what's going on then. I do want to pull up the EMA 55, check out where that's at. This is on the hourly. I don't really like to look at the 55 on the hourly too much, but we are above that. It's looking really healthy. Switch over to the daily and take a look at the 55, see what's going on here. Right, we still had that bullish cross here, so everything's looking really good. And like I said in a previous video, right, we're gonna touch and consolidate around here at the 20 EMA. And if we break the 20 EMA, we're gonna hit the 55, like this wick right here. We basically hit the 55, and we're gonna launch from there. And that worked out perfectly. And if we did go any lower, I wasn't expecting any lower than these yellow lines here at about 36.4. But we're moving on. We're moving up. We're out of that little confusing area we were just in, and we look like right now we are in a clear uptrend, right? Even if I draw another line here on the daily, go from this low, and I place it there, we are looking so good for a continuation, right? And I bet you the 20 EMA, it creeps up, and then we're just hanging out here at 42. We come over here, it meets us at 42, the 20 EMA is over here, and we're just continuing up for awesome Bitcoin gains. So Bitcoin's looking great. I did find something interesting today, the DXY, right? So if you guys don't know what the DXY is, it's a dollar currency index. It's the value of the dollar. We had a big pump today, which is surprising because usually when the DXY pumps, Bitcoin goes down. The DXY and Bitcoin are correlated in that way. So I was a little surprised to see the DXY pumping and Bitcoin rising as well. But on the opposite hand, we saw gold and silver dump extremely hard today, and then Bitcoin and the DXY were pumping. So there is definitely a correlation there. In future videos, I'm going to pay a little bit more attention to see what's going on with the gold and silver market. Obviously, silver dropped as well. They're both minerals, so I'm not really paying too much attention to silver, but gold I'll pay more close attention to because it was strange to see the DXY pump today as well as Bitcoin, because usually if the DXY is pumping, Bitcoin is going down. If Bitcoin is going up, the DXY is going down. I think we saw that Bitcoin not go down and pump today because gold dropped tremendously. I'd have to do some more research. I'm not sure why, if it's just fluctuation or what's going on with gold. But anyway, that's the Bitcoin update for the day. I'll continue to pump out videos this weekend. Before I go, I do want to touch quickly on Ethpad. I had a pretty good amount of views on Ethpad. I got some feedback from one of the comments, so I'll talk a little bit more clearly about that in the future when I'm making future videos about trying to express my opinions better on certain currencies. But Ethpad, like I said, when these things launch, they top out extremely quick within the first minute or so, and then it's just downtrend, and it's consolidation and then a downtrend following after, or it's just downtrend. Sorry about that, kind of tripping over my words today. But anyway, Ethpad, clear downtrend. We might have more consolidation here. I know they just came out with staking today. A lot of these pad currencies, you can stake them. As you can see, there is an extreme lack of volume here. So everybody was interested for the day it came out, and then now it's just kind of it's hanging out. You see the whole market up, and obviously these new extremely small cap coins, they're just falling. So not something I would invest in anytime soon, and I'd stay away from it if I were you. Like I said yesterday in that video, the Ethpad, all these IDOs, the gains are had in that first minute at launch or the first minute before, and you better have bots or you better be whitelisted. If not, stay away. Anyway, thanks for watching today. I'll update you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Hope everybody has a good weekend. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Stay tuned. Thanks for all the views yesterday, and hopefully I can continue to produce more content and get those views up, get those likes up, and leave some comments down below so I can see what you guys want me to cover, different coins. Yeah, thank you.